Pav. You will need cumin, goat masala, turmeric, salt, chilli, oil, garlic, ginger, chopped onion and tomato, and the star of the dish, boiled sprouts and boiled potato. For garnish you will need chopped coriander, some namkeen, chopped onion and tomato. First we will add some oil into the pan. Once the oil heats up, we will add some cumin into the pan. It's nice and crackling. I'll add my ginger and garlic. It's almost done. We'll quickly add onion. Now we will add tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook for a while. My tomatoes are done. We'll add our masalas. Turmeric, chili powder, and goat masala. It's time to add our sprouts. And we'll stir it well. We'll add salt, add water and let it simmer for a while. It's done. Now it's time to garnish it. We'll add some chopped onion, chopped tomato, some namkeen and some chopped coriander. We'll add a slice of lemon to it and you can serve it with buttered buns. A yummy breakfast is ready.